Hi there. Uh, Good morning from this side of the universe. It's currently 12:13 a.m. here. Today we would pick up from where we left. Last time we managed to kind of complete building the Auth flow. So in this video, we'll just try to kind of go about testing the Auth flow, and in the subsequent videos, we'll go about testing the Auth flow. So here we go. This is let me close this up and just kind of do this. So this is what we have so far. If I go into the SRC folder, inside the services folder, you would see two services, one for the authentication and one for sending emails. So, and we said the one for sending email is meant to be private, so meaning that I'm supposed to kind of set up something that kind of prevents this from being used outside of this application. And to do so, I'm going to call the disallowed method. Currently, I don't know why I'm not getting a suggestion. So that weird. Okay, let me try to import it disallowed. I wonder if it's here or if it's there. Good, so I think it's in the common guide. That should be the commons, if I'm not mistaken. Where is this located? Yeah, this doesn't even exist. Is there a chance I didn't import the library that has this? Yeah, there's a chance I didn't. So probably it's the... Okay, let me see. So let me just keep testing for the meantime. I would try to rectify this, and I would inform you once I do. So for now, let me open up Thunder Clients, go to the collections, open up Memeframe, expand the HOTS, and try to... We already have these two requests, stuff we've created here, so let's test with the first one. So basically I'm expected to just send an email as usual, but then I need to start up. I need to start up the server. Weird. That should be stats. Sorry, that should be run dev. So yeah, as expected, I'm expecting to get errors because I've not been testing ever since. So the first error I'm getting is coming from... Okay, first of all, we actually got back by info that says template directory is located at yeah, the correct place actually. Then we get this error that says this does transporter.mailer equals this. Really, I didn't set this, so I don't know. So we are getting the error that says cannot set property of undefined. So let me trace that down from here. So basically most times the errors this is the stack trace, so you can use this to kind of figure out where the error could be coming from. So the first of my file from which the error was triggered was the courier.ts line 24. So I can open that up and just check. Okay, courier.ts was on line 24. Oh, probably at the point of initializing the courier service. So since that's the case, it means the next one should be the class expected. So I can go into this, and then right here I think we have the number, so that should be 55. So on line 55 we created like a transport expected, right? So we created this transport, and yeah, it's coming from this. So let me see any other thing. So the next thing was node mailer complaining. So now I've been able to figure out that the error is coming from here. Why it's coming from there, I can't say yet, but yeah, I've been able to figure out that's where the error is coming from. So you're expecting a transport, either the transport or the options for the transport, meaning it's kind of attempt creating it itself. So create transports comes from where this time? It's coming from Feda's mailer. That is sort of weird because I have not seen it before. Okay, so I get back like this transporter stuff, but then the transport is being sent, and from how the error is being thrown, it's complaining that transporter is not being set because it says cannot set property of undefined. So it's trying to set mailer on transporter, but then transporter is not being set. So but then we are sending config.email. So what could be wrong? So let me check my configuration. In my configuration file, wait, I don't have email yet. That's weird because I'm expecting that I should have gotten the error that I don't have that there. This should have failed. Pretty interesting. Normally this would fail in as much as you don't have the stuff set here. So it's supposed to fail, but then it didn't. Which absolutely is weird. Okay, in that case, let me just add it. And I do really want to know why it didn't fail. This is the configuration validator. So basically we pass the normally this data validator comes from validators file, this one. Data validator. Could it be I need to enforce that? Let's see. It didn't change anything. So I was thinking maybe if I enforce that's the type. Okay, that was class types. That would not enforce anything exactly. So let me see if there's anything that's strict number, strict required, strict schema. I wonder what all these are used for. Strict types. Multiple of precision. Okay, I don't think I can see anything useful. But let's say I set strict to true. I doubt it has anything to do with validation. That's much. So never mind, I'm going to put this off. And then in the carrier class, so I just need to set the configuration since it doesn't exist. And here I can set the from to my email. Then let me see, I can't remember the, okay, never mind. So for this case I need to set the host. I doubt I'm supposed to use SMTP because I can't remember when last I used that, but then let me set that to SMTP for now. Then the port 2465, secure to true, and then auth will be set to, as for user, I don't know, no suggestion, so let me just do okay. I think I wonder if this is gonna work actually, because but at least we have something here and we can override it in the custom environmental variables. So we have this now, at least something to work with. Okay, so let's check this again. Now wait a minute. Where in the world did he get all these jobs? At least now it's working, just that connection is refused because of course that's coming from Redis. But why is he adding This is weird. It shouldn't. We shouldn't. Okay, failed job. Let me just search where I put this. Undo job failure, which I attached on error. So the worker is actually trying to process something but failed to connect to this connection. Oh, so it's expected. So this doesn't exist. Like, we don't have a Redis connection for this, which is another dependency I forgot completely. So let me stop this. I don't know if I should set up a Redis instance in Docker, or I should just go to Redis Cloud and create stuff. Let me see. I'm going to pause for a while just to figure out which of the approach I'm going to use. Okay, yeah, I'm back. I think I will just run Redis locally. So I'm just going to check if never mind. I think I can just check whether Docker is open like this way. So in that case, I'm just going to run Docker or run Redis via Docker. Give it the name Redis, because I don't think most times when I run Docker, I do it like using Docker Compose, so I have these services I'm working with. So running Docker from the terminal like this is not something I've done in a while, so I might have to check. Hopefully I get to, I figure out which system I'm going to be using. So, but yeah. So I kind of have this article I have open here, which I'm trying to kind of use to figure out whether I'm not missing out anything. You can capture every Redis operation using the Redis. Okay, designate snapshots, intervals. So let's see. P 6379 mapped to 6379. If I want persistent storage, I could do something like Redis server, then just save 61 log level warning. Well, I don't think I'm going through any of all this stress, so let me just use this. I think this should work. Okay, so I'm going to kind of, yeah, in the next episode I'll stop the video here. In the next episode we will continue from where this ends. Actually, this is much faster than I anticipated, but then we'll stop here and continue in the next episode.